One of my favorite classes when I took art in college, when I was getting my my associate's degree, was drawing animals live. That was awesome. Every Friday, every Saturday, we would go to the zoo. We would meet early in the morning and with our sketch pads, nothing more. And we would break out into sessions and go and look for animals that were in motion and try to draw them. Now, animals, as you probably already figured out, they don't like to pose. They don't like to be told what to do. So we had to learn how to do gesture drawings so that we can try to capture what the animals were doing very quickly. And the animals that were in motion were always the more interesting ones. So we avoided, as much as possible, we avoided animals that were just sitting there or laying there. We tried to find ones that were active. Sometimes that didn't work, obviously, because you just never knew what you were going to find when you got there. But every now and again we would find some that were just busy and having fun. So we would just sit down with our notepads, pen, pencil, whatever we were working with on that day, and we would just start sketching and trying to capture what the animals were doing that day. Keep in mind that this is a number of years back, before we had smartphones and whatnot. So we had to work from observation. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. And I'm going to say that that class was probably the class that helped me develop my drawing speed the most. You didn't really have a choice. You had to move fairly quickly, especially when the animals were active, because you might only have a few seconds, sometimes a little bit longer, to try to capture what was going on. Now, if you had camera equipment and you took a few snapshots, that was great. But a lot of us didn't have that. So we were like, okay, we gotta do our best to capture what's going on. And very rewarding class. Lots of fun. People would stop and watch us draw different animals. Sometimes we could even sell our work. So I would recommend that you try, if you're working on trying to improve your speed, try bringing gesture drawings into your repertoire. Remember, keep it loose. Avoid erasing. Really focus on trying to capture the essence of what's going on. Don't worry too much about whether it's perfect or not, but just try to capture proportions. If you make a mistake, see if you could fix it without erasing. And above all, make sure that you practice. So in this session we're doing animals, but you can draw people, you can draw inanimate objects, you can do cartooning, lots of different ways you can even do landscapes. I hope that this video helps you out. So forget to subscribe. And if there's something that you want to see, please let me know, and I will work to try to get it on here. As always, thank you for watching, and get out and draw.